How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, head back. You can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then what you can do is update the Facebook app to its latest version. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is open your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head towards the option iPhone storage. From the list of the apps, find the app Facebook, click on delete app, click on delete app. Once you delete the app, again reinstall it. Then give fresh restart your phone. For that, head back, scroll down, click on the option of shutdown. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is reset your network settings. For that, click on the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings and go through the process. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix Facebook app not working in iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.